Prepared, and we will. Excellencies, Honorable Minister.
Thank you, Excellencies. Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a wonderful day, and this is not really the time for a long speech from me, because I want you all to have an equally wonderful evening, enjoying each other's company. The members of our Grand Coalition, relaxing after a hard day's work. But I just want to make the observation that we have made a strong start to the pre-COP here in Denarau. The feedback that my team and I have been getting has been overwhelmingly positive, and I want to thank all of the delegates who spoke at the plenary today for their positive contributions. I especially want to thank all those who acknowledge one of the core values of our presidency, the Talanoa dialogue, that we are bringing to this process. We intend to have that dialogue all the way to Bonn and beyond. And as incoming president, I want to recruit many more people around the world to embrace the Talanoa dialogue as the best way to move the climate action agenda forward. Everything that I intend to do as president will be aimed at upholding the spirit and letter of the Paris Agreement. But as I've continuously stressed, I'm convinced that the only way forward is to pursue the most ambitious target of that agreement, to keep the average global temperature to no more than 1.5 degrees over that of the industrial age. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in this magnificent tropical setting, it seems strange to think that in less than 3 weeks' time, we'll be gathered together to continue these discussions in a very different setting. Instead of being by the Pacific, we'll be by the Rhine. I have told our performance, and especially those who normally go bare-chested, that it may be a little more chilly than it is here this evening. But we know, because many of us have already experienced it, that there is no doubting the warmth and the welcome we can expect from the German people. As I've said before, the partnership that Fiji has forged with Germany for our staging of COP23 is a wonderful example of how countries of vastly different sides and opposite ends of the earth can work closely together to pursue a common objective. In this case, to bring the vision of the Paris Agreement to life. Thank you all for traveling to Nandi, sometimes over vast distances. Thank you for your forbearance in the face of some of our logistical challenges. We honestly didn't expect that so many of you would come and make the biggest pre-COP ever, but we are deeply honored that you have. It is we who are usually traveling to you, and it is wonderful that you have made the effort to travel to Fiji, where we welcome you in the unique Fijian Bula spirit, and also to promise to take that spirit to Bonn. Thank you, Vinawoleo.
Delivered to the firewalkers to perform the ritual this evening. That is why they're doing a lot of laughing, yelling, and little men, so small, but they do things in a very happy mood, and they do things in us. The firewalkers believe that the long-front stop in Balambala carries thousands of decided to go out fishing for eels in the mountain stream. Second in command.